Yes, sir. What up with y'all? Today we're gonna be doing a little install on the G. You know, we have resonated test pipes already, but right now we're gonna go ahead and take those off because they rattling. I'm gonna let y'all hear that. So how that happened was my car was misfiring, right? So I couldn't never figure out the problem with what was going on. So I crank up the car, it was cold. I got aggravated, so I just started hitting the gas. Then I heard something rattle. I was like, uh-oh, I done did something wrong. I get out and go to the front of the car. I don't hear nothing because I think I blew a rod or something. So I go to the side of the car and I hear the rattling. So I get up under and I'm like, okay, I just bought these pipes. Now I gotta buy some more. So yeah, that's what happened with that. But we're gonna be installing new Manzo test pipes. These right here. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into the video, man. Got 3 bolts right here. You gotta take off, and you have this one right here. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I have it off. All right, y'all. We done finally broke these evil ass bolts off. Man, it took like 30 minutes. Did I say headers? I mean test pipes. No headers on. Don't do it. Take it to a shop. But you know, we do this type of stuff. So I'm still out here trying to get these bolts off, man. It's crazy. But I'm on the other side. We're gonna get this off and get them installed. Alright, you guys, I finally got this thing dropped. Took long enough, but here it is. So I'm gonna be going from these to these. What's up, you guys? So we swapping out the resonated for the unresonated test pipes. Those right here have a rattle in them, but if y'all want them, they is up for sale. So get at me. So yeah, y'all, we got the first one going up. I just gotta bolt it down, then move to the other side. Quick thing, everybody that has these cars know how hard it is to take these off. So instead of bolting them from the other side and going from the top, just bolt all of them back at the bottom. It's way easier. Okay, so now that we got both test pipes installed, it's time to install the Y pipe back and get this thing cranked. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm gonna leave y'all off with this.